Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? It is Tuesday morning. I'm coming at you a little earlier. I had to get up early, 4 to 5 or so this morning, to bring my daughter to the airport. She had to fly back to Manhattan to move out of her college apartment, and then come back at the end of the week. So coming at you a little early. I have some announcements for you. Number one is on the outline today too, but the test for chapter 25 is tomorrow, Wednesday, the 27th, from 9:30 to 3:30, as we have been doing. Your homework is due by midnight for chapter 25 that day. Today you have two labs due. Many of you have submitted already, but the pendulum period lab, as well as the Hookstall lab. Sorry, drew a blank on the name. There's a submission tab for today. If you would submit that on Schoology, that'd be great. If you submit any assignment on a different platform, like on Google Docs, or send it an email, whatever, I generally will be able to find it. It's just a little bit harder if they're on multiple different platforms. And when I'm going through grading, which I'm going to do a fair amount of grading today, sometimes I may miss those. So because I usually look at Schoology first and whatever. So anyways, if you would do that, that would be great. Let's see, I'm still open to extra credit picture submitted of smart lights. If you see smart lights, I will give you a hint if anyone wants to travel a little bit. On the overpass of Highway 212, where Engler in Chaska, just a little bit past Chaska High School, really. There's an overpass. There's a turn lane in that overpass. I'll let you search for it. A little treasure hunt. Take a picture of it. There are smart lights embedded, freshly embedded. You can take a picture of that, and it's 5 free questions on tomorrow's test. So if you want to do that, the first 10 people to submit a photo of smart lights being installed or remnants of them with that, remember that little tar path or outline of the coil that's embedded in the road. I'll give you 5 extra credit points for that. Let's see. I am trying office hours again today to do a little test review for people that might need it or want it. 12:30 and 3. I'm doing 2 options today, 12:30 and 3. So if you want to, I'll put a link on the page for the day today in the folder, and feel free to stop by and ask questions or say hello or whatever you'd like to do. After tomorrow's test, we will begin our last chapter, chapter 26 on sound. So if any of you are eager and want to get started, that's where we're headed next. And we will be testing for everybody on Thursday, June 4th, will be the chapter 26 test. So that will conclude all new information, new teaching. And if your grade is sufficient and all your stuff is in and you're good to go, then June 4th is your last day. But we'll use that Friday the 5th and then Monday, Tuesday the 8th and 9th, I guess it is. We'll use those days for people to get caught up and take tests that they haven't taken. Which does remind me, electric bill. Some of you still have not done the electric bill assignment. Again, make an effort to get that done. I'm still accepting it, and even if you want to stop in at office hours today, ask questions about it if you're uncertain about something, that'd be great. So again, test tomorrow. Have your homework ready. Labs are due today, and 5 extra credit points for the first 10 photos of smart lights being installed in the roadway or remnants of it. All right, take care. We'll chat with you soon. Bye.